Yo, stocks 5150. We are live. We are live. What up, yo? So, what's going on today? Today is March 12th. March 12th, 2026. His time is 0912. Look, we already made our 40 bucks. Remember, $40 a day. That's all I'm trying to do. That's all I need to do. I already made my $40 a day. You know what I'm saying? So, being that I already made my money, I'm gonna try to be disciplined, not be entering no crazy trades or nothing today. You know what I'm saying? Oh wait. All right, I wasn't live on my other joint. Yo, what up? Stocks 5150. We are live. We are live. We already made our $40 a day. So we made our money, right? So that means we gotta be disciplined and not trade today. Some of this shit I already made the money. I already made the money, yo. You know what I'm saying? So what we talking about though? What we got going on here for today? SoftBank. SoftBank pay to pay is set for hotly anticipated NASDAQ debut. Okay, so I guess you want to invest in SoftBank. Investment fund questions, valuations, and Blue Owl private. Oh yeah, private credit. That's it. JP Morgan restricts lending on private credit firms. That private equity stuff, that's gonna be tricky. But you can do that in your 401k now if you really want to lose your money. I mean, because you basically won't get that money back. It'll look good, but it really probably ain't good to do. What we got going on today before we get to the charts? We have the news today. We got one red folder at 8:30. Yep. Oh, we had it. The unemployment claims, that was the red folder. The forecast was for 214,000 jobs and the actual was 213,000 jobs. So that's a miss. But not too bad. That's only 1,000 less. You know what I'm saying? So that's not too bad. What else we got going on? We got our building permits. Forecast is 1.4 million and we got 1.3, so slowing down on the building. And the trades balance is minus 80.8 billion. Last time was minus 98.5 billion. Housing starts forecast is 1.34 million and we got 1.49 million, so that's up. And the trade balance forecast point was negative 66 billion, and this we got 54 billion. So it's actually good. At 10:30, what we got is the natural gas. But what we got going on though, we got a lot of stuff going on really, like because the war is popping and or whatever they call it. Hey, DJT called it an excursion. He said the excursion. Oh wow, yo, an excursion. Let's look at these charts and see what we got. You know what I'm saying? Uh, Slide this over here to the left. I ain't got to watch the chat too tough. Looks like Spy is. I don't know. I don't feel like clicking on that. We gonna worry about NQ. What we got going on? You know what I'm saying? That's all I need to worry about myself. Worry about yourself. Worry about yourself. I got a pot. I'm cooking some okra and some peas, man. I gotta go check on that. I'm smelling it. That means I'm probably burning up my lunch. Hi, yo. Sorry. I don't know how long here. Let's see what we got. We got Byron Horn. What up? Billy M. Billy M5. What up? Oh my 62. What up? Appreciate you joining. Um, I was just getting ready to talk about. I was up, had to check on my food. Man, I had to taste it. Where we at? 4 hours. Well, let's look at the daily first. See, today slightly lower than we were yesterday. Still in the doji so far though. So overnight, nothing special happened. Um, we're above the 48, but 5 is heading down. So as you can see, past 5 days we're in a downtrend. Even though that was a doji, and that's a doji, that was a lower one. You see what I'm saying? So if we do a Tory trades trend line on this joint, boom, look at that. Downtrend, right? Don't go to the upside until you pass that. All right? So you pass that. Shout out to Tory Trade. That's my girl. Yep. I know her personally. That's on the weekly. I'm sorry. Here's the daily, but look at that trend holding true. Boom. Feels like it should. Let's adjust that. Let's go back. Downtrend. So we're in a weekly downtrend and a daily downtrend, right? Exactly. And we've been in this range. I mean, I don't have to keep going over this, but you can see this. It goes back to December, but we've been in this range as far as the top part. What is that? That's October. October to, well, we've been in the same range since October. We have not broken above it, and we are below it. But we're in the middle right now. So, what do we do? What do we say, class? Don't fiddle in the middle. Don't diddle in the middle. Don't fiddle in the middle. If you do, that's how you lose money. You get caught up in all that chop. This is not a swing trader's market right now. You never know what's going to happen from one day to the next. Like right now, crude oil is running back up again. It's 94. So, what's been happening, it's been an inverse trade. Crude oil is up and everything else is down. So people going back and forth. So expect today to be bearish. That's my prediction. Is to be bearish. Um, but you'll see. You know what I'm saying? You will see. But right now on the daily we are down. We were lower than we were. Go to the 4 hour. Take a look. Same thing. Trend holding true. We have not broken above that trend. Until we break to the upside, that's when you should be going long. Like if you was swinging, I mean, it's gonna be plays as we get more into this. Like in the lower time frames, you can scalp a little bit, but I wouldn't be holding to nothing overnight. Now I finally got to. Now I finally got to. I don't know if y'all can see it, but I already made my money for the day. Got my $43, $40 a day. That's 10K, yo. Let's go. You know what I'm saying? Of course, if I make more, if I see opportunity, I will. But if I get a minimum $40 a day, I'll be happy. This is not a primary source of income. You know what I'm saying? Well, Mike Brown, my man. So, all right, 4 hour, trending down. Take a look at the 15. Carlito's Way, what's up, yo? Carlito's Way. That's a good movie, man. I often wonder what it would happen if Carlito would have just been cool with Benny Blanco. You know what I'm saying? He'd have probably killed him anyway, sooner or later. But I don't know, man. I got killed right then. Should have treated Benny Blanco from the Bronx with some respect, but he didn't. Oh well. Pat, what's up? Reacher. Oh shoot! I wonder if that's the guy from the movie Reacher. Um, looking at the 15 minute, pushing up slightly. We got 5 minutes before the market starts. The data before the unemployment, what we had a red folder was unemployment claims, and we got 1,000 lower. So forecast was 214,000. We got 213,000. So that's less claims. So that should be a positive thing, right? Less unemployment. Housing starts. That was a beat. Trade balance was a beat also. So, I mean, we should be running back up, but oil, see, that's running right there. It's at 94. All right, see, look at that pushing up. This is a, on a 15, that's bullish. You know what I'm saying? It's a bullish hammer. Well, it's bearish, but it's to the upside. Let's get on down here a little bit more. See what we're looking like on the 5 minute. I'm going to tell you, bullish. Just trying to make a move. We got 4 minutes left. 4 minutes left before the market starts. Will we drop or will we top? Today is Thursday. Mm, we already, let's honestly, we kind of like ran up a little bit overnight. Like you look at here, this is midnight. So we kind of already ran up. And it looks like we're going to pull back down now, retrace. So some money was made last night. You know what I'm saying? If he was able to get in there, if he was trading. Futures, yeah, you could be good. But right now we're back in the middle, as far as even with that range. And I don't know. But we had went down last night and then we retraced. But still we only got halfway there. So we're still down. Definitely not higher. We are lower in this position that we're in right now. Got 3 minutes before the market opens. 3 minutes before the market opens. And once the market opens, guess what? It's gonna be time to make some money, young. Make some money, son. You be making the money. Be making the money. Yeah, gonna make some money. I already made my money. I'm just saying. I got a minimum that I like to try to get and keep it simple. I ain't trying to be greedy. Sometimes I get greedy and I do okay. So I'll kind of technically I don't know if I'm ahead for the year or not, but truthfully that was just a lucky trade. I just happened to be in a gas trade tonight that we bombed not Ukraine but bombed Iran, and the market went crazy and I made my largest trade. I made 8,000 on that trade. Eight, but that put me back green because I was down because I had messed up a lot. I kind of got away from my rules, you know what I'm saying? So I try to just trade, only do two, maybe three trades a day. Keep it small. Don't get crazy. If I can get out with like $40 minimum, make $40 per day, it's 250 days in a year. I'm in a trading year, 250 days in a year, and that is 40 times 250 is $10,000. Now, some days if I make 100, cool. Some days I don't make 100, okay. If I make 40, if it averages out, and I have $10,000 at the end of the year, I'm gonna feel accomplished. I'll be happy. I'm not saying that I wouldn't like to have 100,000, because who wouldn't like to have 100,000? But the extra 10 would be nice too. And I'm not taking it out. I'm gonna leave it in here and keep trading. Just buy more contracts. You know what I'm saying? Like right now, I'll be flipping with two. I can afford to do more, but I flip with two and let that go. All right, time now is we got 30 seconds, 38 seconds. Also at 9:30 in Great Britain, we got the CB leading the index month over month. That's a yellow folder, not a big deal. Doesn't matter to us. 10:30 natural gas, that'll probably move the market with everything that's going on. Let's get down here to the ticks and see what's popping when this market starts. Looks like we're gonna drop, retracing. Right now, we're looking bearish because we're underneath the 200, underneath the 14, underneath the 5. There we go. Let's run. Let's go. What we got? Upside, 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 upside. Nope. Fake out. You see that? Bam. Thought you was gonna get it, but you didn't. Let's get one. Let's get one to the upside. See if we can get one to the upside. Up. Not too late. Hit it already. Back down. One back to the upside. Ready? Boom. Let's see what we get. One to the upside. Let's go. Uh, uh. We're going back up to 2483. One more pop up. Let's see. 24. Bam. Not yet. Boom. Let's see what did I get. Hey, 77, baby. Let's go. Okay. I'm telling you, that's how easy it is. But we done. All I need to make is $44. I mean $40. Just got 73. That trade right there was what, 30 bucks, I believe. Transactions. Yep, $30 right quick. So for the day, I'm at a total of 68 at minus the fees. We good to go. See, so that's what I'm saying. Sometimes I get 40, sometimes I get more. Either way, I'm good to go. You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna be greedy. Caught that, caught that move. When it's in the first minute, why not? You know what I'm saying? Now what's happening now? Let's see. Let's take a look. Let's zoom out. Hmm. We're bouncing. Let's get one more to the upside. All right, we got that. Let's see if we can catch something else. If we bounce back up to say 76 or so. Wait for it. There we go. Bam, 96. Just like that, man. Just like that. You know what I'm saying? That's my three trades for the day, and I'm finished. You know what I'm saying? So, boom, three trades, $99. Is that 99? It's 96. 96. And yeah, we out. So, I hope you have a good day. Oh wait, $84 minus the fees. But look, what did I say? $40 a day. So I'm already 2 days up. So I don't have to do nothing for tomorrow. I can really relax tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday. I can chill out and go spend time with my family, etc. The point is, I don't have to worry about nothing. God is good, man. Yo, El Tokyo, what's up? Popal, what up? John Scoria, what up? Henri Pedeza, man, forgive me for messing up these names, man, but yo, what's up, yo? Pat, yeah, I can pronounce that one. What's up, yo? Reacher, what up? So, made that money, yo. Made three trades, all green, all profit. So guess what? I'm out. I ain't playing with it no more. I ain't doing nothing else. You know what I'm saying? Stocks 5150, man. Have a good day, and we out. Peace. I ain't even hanging around. Might do something else and mess up the money. You know what I'm saying? I got to keep the bag. Got to keep the bag. Peace.